Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's start with the Python basics as part of our complete Python Bootcamp course. So in Python, we have majorly two versions, which is Python 2 and Python 3. We will be using Python 3 in this tutorial because it is semantically correct and it is supporting all new features in Python. So we will be using mostly Python 3 in this tutorial. Let's begin with the very basic directive print. Let's see how it is different in Python 2 and Python 3. In Python 2, print is not a function, so it is called without any parenthesis. But in Python 3, it is a method, so we will be calling print directive as print parenthesis and with a string to print any string to the console. So that is the difference from Python 2 and Python 3. So let's open editor. We will be using basic cursor editor. We'll start with a simple file hello.python as we are using currently Python 3. Simply try to print hello world. So let me try to execute the program. I run Python file. It has to print hello world. If you see, it is printing hello world message to the console. So this is how we start with basic syntax of Python in Python 3. And also let's learn in Python we have one important concept, which is spaces. For blocks of code in Python, we will not be using parentheses, but we will be using spaces, which is nothing but indentation in Python. So let's write a simple program that demonstrates indentation in Python. Let's take variable x equal to 10 and I would like to take another variable y equal to 20, and if x greater than y, I like to print a message, print x is greater than y. So if you notice, it has already taken 1, 2, 3 and 4 spaces. So these are the indentation that is required in Python. So if you are typing any other statement below it, you need to give the same indentation and do any other operations. So like if I want to print any else, so I give again 4 spaces, print x is less than y and so on. You can give y equal to y plus 1 so on, like that. If I want to do some other programming, say print x, print y, so we need to give without indentation because it is out of if else block. So if I am having any block code, so I need to give 4 spaces to specify it belongs to this particular block, like this. Let's execute and see what it prints. So first it got 10, 20. So x greater than 10, greater than 20, false. So it went to else block directly and executed x less than y and then incremented y by 1, that means 21. So now it came out of the if else block. Next statement, print x, which is 10, and print y, which is 21. So that is the output of the code we have written. This is how we have to follow indentation by 4 spaces. In other programming languages, it can be something like curly braces, but in Python, you need to remember it is 4 spaces to specify it is inside the block, like this. Let's see more in next video. Keep watching for more content. Thank you.